What does $949,000 buy you here in San Diego in 2024? How about this, 4251 Via Clemente. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, single-family home. As we walk into the front door, you're greeted with this nice big windows, lots of light, tall ceilings. Those are probably 14, 15-foot ceilings. You know, a banister staircase going up to the 3 beds. Right off to the right, you have access to the garage, so real easy to get in with your groceries, and a half bath here. Coming down into the dining room, there's a pool right over that fence, so community pool, heated. Over this little fence here, let's see if we can get up there. I don't know if you can see that park or not. I'm standing on my tippy toes, but fun area for the kids. In the kitchen, we have, you know, the granite countertops, dishwasher, lots of storage, small pantry here. And then coming into the living room, you've got a nice gas fireplace, a lot of windows. Again, tons and tons of light here on the bottom floor with HVAC. Actually, that's heating, no air conditioning in this unit. Although it can be added for what, about $5,000 probably at this point. And so walking out back, lot size is right about 3,200 square feet. So you can put storage here. Let's take a quick peek up over, and there's the pool there. Really nice, so you can just walk right out to the side of the house, side yard, and access. These are all brand new dual pane windows. Walking back in the hall, there's a really big area for storage. That's under the staircase there. So that's going in probably about 8 feet by what, about 3 there. And then you have what everybody loves, in-unit laundry. So you got your washer and dryer here. Storage, of course, up top. So let's go upstairs. So these will all be finished, these new banisters. And we have our 3 beds. So we're gonna head off to the left, starting with, we'll just call it bed 1. And that has, this closet here is actually rather large, although it doesn't look like it from here, but it is a walk-in. Proof, I'm 5'5", and so there you go. This is probably somewhere in the area of probably 6'4". And coming in, you have your hall closet for storage, of course, right off from the bathroom. Dual sinks, full tub and shower, good venting there. And then into the primary. So here again, real tall ceilings. Those are probably, I don't know, 10, 11 feet. Lots of natural light, real good space here. This is probably about 14 by 13, somewhere in there. Lots of storage in the bathroom. So this was fully upgraded. Looks like, you know, they did the European tile finishes, 1/2-inch glass, real nice heavy door. Those look like nice Moen fixtures, stainless. You've got your toilet here, and again, another much larger. This is probably about a 6 by 8, somewhere in there, full closet with glass doors. Okay, walking into the full 2-car garage. Really nice brand new heating system. This property does not have air conditioning. For about $5,000 you could add it. That's also a brand new water heater, old school AT&T system. And oh, look there, that'll be soon. So escrow, those are our signs from open house. But here you have the full, again, 2-car garage. And then we'll do a quick pan looking out to the community. So real quiet street. You can be to freeways 78 in about 5 minutes. Well, we'll call it, would be westish, so you could be at the beach in about 10 miles. You could be down to San Diego in a matter of, we'd say, a half hour without traffic. Up into places like Temecula in about half hour, out to East County, so San Diego would be 35, 40 minutes. So if you have any questions about this home or any other homes right here in San Diego, whether it's in 7 days, 7 weeks, or 7 months, we're here for you and can help. My name's David Domangos, eXp Realty. All my information is in the description below. Feel free to reach out. You can chat. We could Zoom, email, text, whatever. We're here for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.